How to uninstall Amazon Shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall this application. First of all, go to the place where it's located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Now here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So we are directed to the app information and app settings. So in different mobile, you can directly go to the app settings also. Now here scroll down and you'll be able to find this uninstall button. Tap on uninstall. Now before doing this, make sure you have this ID and password saved, because later if you install this application you will need it. Now tap on OK. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the application is completely gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.